Today I find myself in the remote town of Iriri, facing the third highest peak in Karamoja, Uganda. The trail starts in the floodplains of the village, through overgrown grasses, acacia trees, and gardens. Yeah, it's lush green out here. We are moving past the last isolated villages, stopping by for a hello with a lot of amusement from the villagers, crossing streams and cooling down. And at the top, we are rewarded by stunning views and coolness from the lush green forest. Cheers to a successful summit. You can join me on this trail in August for a group hike, the sunny outdoors community. See you on the trail.